Let's turn our eye to the special election, less than 2 weeks away. This morning, the impact of Issue 1 really heating up for many groups here in our state trying to get their particular issues on the November ballot. 10 TV's Amy Steigerwald is live at the State House breaking down how the results in August could have a major impact on what happens in November. Amy.
Yeah, good morning. That's right. Essentially, we have potentially two big issues that will be on the ballot in November. One of those confirmed this morning. But before we get to November, we have to have the August special election. And if issue 1 goes through successfully in less than 2 weeks, things that are on the ballot in November could be harder to pass. So this morning, pro-choice advocates, they are celebrating after they got enough signatures just to put abortion on the November ballot here in Ohio. But groups trying to legalize marijuana here in Ohio, they still need more signatures to get their issue in front of voters this November. They have until next Friday to get those required signatures. Now, pro-choice advocates say they're concerned about issue 1 passing this August because it automatically would make it harder for voters to clear their issue. But also pro-life advocates feel that it could work to their advantage.
The process that we just went through to get on the ballot would be made infinitely more difficult, and that's by design.
So what we're saying with the August vote is let's protect our Constitution. Let's make sure that we have broad consent of the governed people of Ohio before we just drop something in our state constitution.
And of course, we'll be keeping a close eye on the August election in less than 2 weeks, along with that signature deadline for those people trying to get legalizing marijuana on the ballot this November here in Ohio. Live outside the State House this morning, Amy Steigerwald for 10 TV News.
All right, thank you so much, Amy. And of course, we'll be covering this ballot proposal issue and how the August 8th election impacts it this week on Face of the State. Do join me Sunday morning at 11:30 right here on 10 TV.